What does a 34-year-old man worth almost $1 billion do with his life?
34-year-old man made $1 billion. Don't you want to know how? Let's check it out.
Anything he wants. Verse.
There are a lot of businesses in the background, investments, real estate, medical, that we are doing. So
he does real estates, investments, medical.
it's just a group of businesses that make up my worth.
Group of businesses. So where did he start?
All right, so this is where it all began, right here in my parents' house. This is where I slept and worked for over 10 years.
10 years of work at the parents' house.
And yeah, not a cent to my name. And this little one, Ruby, came along for the journey as well.
Like a lot of young fellas, Adrian wanted to be a fireman. Now he's on fire. But to get there was one hell of a journey. It began in America, LA, where he started a limousine business that conked out.
And he started with a limo business. Now tell me guys, which one of these seems easy to you? I'll tell you which one. None of them. All these are hard, risky, takes a lot of money and a lot of work. Definitely not for beginners. That's why we teach our beginner students just like you how to do high ticket affiliate marketing that pays out $500 commissions per sale with a 99% done for you system. To learn more, check my profile, first comment and caption for a free case study.